Hey, I'm back, guys. Pop on in, pop on in. So I'm making a imperial, beautiful imperial jasper bracelet. Let's put it over there so you can see. I'm making this for my sister. She bought some nice beads, AAA beads, and asked me to make her some bracelets. So I'm like, okay. So I start back on YouTube by making gemstone crystal bracelets. Doing videos on that, just to warm up the channel, just kind of get back in. Because that's pretty much what I'm doing, mixing my gemstones, these gemstone gemstone beads in with some of my painted beads, and I got some other projects that I'm getting ready to do, and I am getting ready for the fall also, for the fall market. So, and I got some new ideas with that too, but I'm figuring out, how to sell this product. Oh, that's a big hole. I put that one in also, and got a lot of ideas. Yeah, you know how we are. And I'm just, messing around with different types of materials, elements, also different ways to do things. My own little unique way. And I hope you guys been good. Also, so like I say, this is an imperial jasper. And I'm doing, like I say, doing mine a little bit different. I'm using a bonding glue. I think this is a special bonding glue for this. So you won't have to tie all those knots in it. That's what I figured. But you got to get you a knot in there really good, like this here, and pull it. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm taking this bonding, because these are little small hole beads. See, that wasn't tight. It has to be tight when you do this. If not, it's going to come apart. Pull it tight to make sure you got that knot in there very, very good, because these things will come apart. See, if I do this 3 times, I wouldn't be able to get my the knot through the hole. So therefore, I found this bonding glue. And when I say it bonds just like that. But it's still best, to let it set a little bit. See that hole, how that want to, go in there? And I don't want to add any other element to these beads. I just want to keep these beads with the energy that they have, and the purpose of these beads, the properties of these beads. And all I'm doing is just putting that bonding glue, and then I just cut these down so you can't see them. Like I said in my other video, I'm experimenting. These are for my sister to see how they do with her. You can't even see the knot in these. So we're going to put that one right there, guys. And now we're going on to the next one. This one I got to use this 0.7 because those holes are extra small. So now I'm coming to the It's called an aqua Lemurian calcite. And when I tell you these beautiful, see this one even got a little bit of that green calcite in it. Calcite is a powerful stone. Beautiful luxury stone. And that Lemurian, we accidentally rolled up on these. I'm like, okay, I might go back and pick up another strand of these. I forgot well, she bought these, so I don't know what she paid for hers. How much hers was. I didn't get any of these, I don't think. So I'm going to show you my new beads after I make these bracelets. I got lots of new AAA beads. And I'm going to be selling these things at the market, y'all. And I'm not going to add charms on them either. Unless somebody asks me for a charm, then I put them a charm on that. Other than that, I'm not doing charms. These are just straight energy bracelets that I'm making. Charms okay, but I'm not, all that big on charms. Charms sometimes aggravate me. They sometimes be a little bit too noisy. And then they all over the place. They don't fall the way they supposed to fall. Sometimes they get in the way. You can't write sometimes if you got too many. Then if you got too big of beads, you can't even, the beads sometimes, I wear some of my bigger bracelets, even though they are pretty. I can't even write sometimes. You know how you write? I'm like, okay, this is a good idea, but can't write. I have to pull them off. And then I have charms on there and they in the way, and I'm like, oh, I guess it's just a part of jewelry making, or it's just a part, what do you call that, of just dealing with it. That's just like wearing high heel shoes, I guess. Wearing those high heels and just putting up with the pain and the hurt and the pinched toes, and you walking unparalleled, you're not stabilized with them high heels, all kind of stuff. We go through all kind of stuff, don't we? Beauty things. Just to make a point, just to make something pretty, don't we? But anyway, don't mind me. I'm just a little old woman here down in the South making bracelets. Who might observe just a little bit too much, y'all. But it's all good. It's all good. Same thing. I use this 0.1 crystal. Check. And we are going to tie this. I gotta go somewhere. I think I gotta make a trip to Michael's. I gotta pick up something. I lost my, y'all tell me, how do I lost my, not twine, but what do you call that stuff, that little brown stuff that you tie on gifts? I can't even think of the name of it. I misplaced mine. And I've had that stuff for a long time. It lasts a long time. I got to get some more because I got some baskets. I got an order for 3 Christmas baskets, y'all. I gifted someone a basket, and she loved it so much, and she said, oh my gosh, she said, I want you to make me 3 Christmas baskets, and I need them Christmas themed. So I'm going to present those too. So I'm in the process. They are finding Christmas pieces right now. Like the candles, I'm going to make my own candles for the basket. So look. You can't even see the, where I cut the string. So this is my method. So I hope my method worked well. Like I said, I'm going to be testing it out on my sis. With her bracelets. These are hers. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that Lemurian calcite. I love it. Can't even tell where I put it together at. What? Powerful. I like that. But that's that one. And I might as well knock this one out. But yeah, I didn't tell y'all I got... Yeah, I did. But anyway, I don't want to talk about it. So we're going to stretch this one because that one there was really, really tight. The last one I did. But... And my daughter's down there Atlanta way. So I might just have to make a trip down there and just get with her because I know she's just, you know, not going to do it. Go ahead and help me make back my website on Shopify again. I might do that. Go down there. And, you know, we'll just do a basic website. And then I'm, you know, want to sell from, try it one more time. Now I know something that I need to do different when it comes to selling these products. You know, and how to sell these products. I'm a slow bloomer. It always takes me a little bit to, you know, to catch up with the normal people. You know, with selling all these products. Because this is nothing I really... Didn't really want to come on here and be selling products like this. I just wanted to come on... I don't know. And you know, just make these products. I didn't want to make a whole lot of products. And I made a lot of products making videos. And this time... I'm doing things a little bit different. Because I'm not going to, like if I'm dealing in these jewelry pieces, it's just going to be these, basically the crystal beads like this. But I got to get rid of some of the other stuff that I've done. And I'm, you know, selling that at the market. You know, we got the holidays coming and you got, well, people going to be gifting. You can use a lot for like stocking stuffers and, you know, don't sell your pieces, you know, too expensive. So that's the plan. So let's see how we doing with this one. Right here. So we're going to just tie that. Are you talking to me? Yeah. Okay. I'm in here doing a video.
Unless you want to grab it yourself later. I ain't going back out until 1 o'clock. Because my barber was busy.
Oh, so he didn't get to get you?
No. I got the oil change up.
Oh, so you got to go. Well, I just wait till you go back out. I'll wait till you go back out. It's no big deal. Sorry about that, y'all. It's my son. He buying me a little printer so I can print off some tickets and things for my jewelry and make it look more professional. See, I want that to go through that hole. And I got to make sure it's tight. And I pulled that little thin stuff too tight. Wow. Okay, so I got to gather these beads back up, guys, because I was pulling too tight. This is a 0.7. I guess you got, you know, I was too strong with it. But I'm going to gather them back and I'm going to come back and do another video and show you how I finished this piece off, okay? Thank you. We're going to, sorry about that. Hey, trial and error. Catch you in the next one.